Violence is like an earthquake. It has no winners, only losers. For 40 years now, Kurds and Turks have been fighting one another while the children of other nations have invented smartphones, edited genes, crafted artificial intelligence, and dared to look for signs of life in distant planets. Why aren't our youth crazy about science or its parent, freedom, but are easy prey to those who play with us the way a cat plays with a mouse? One woman who never held a smartphone in her hands or heard of gene editing in America or France, or thought of robots that could think, or imagined visiting other planets was Medine Öncel. The English-speaking world owes Amberin Zaman, an exiled Turkish journalist, a debt of gratitude for sharing her story with the world. I first read about Medine back in 1999. Like Tülay's story, it left an indelible impression on me. If I were a novelist, I might have captured her world in print, describing her pain and that of the Kurds, barred from speaking their Kurdish language by misguided leaders of the Turks, from Ataturk to Erdogan. Medine Öncel was born in Diyarbakir. The year of her birth, 1978, would also coincide with the birth of a political party, Partiya Karkerin Kurdistan, the PKK. In 1975, America took a beating in Vietnam. The PKK, thinking it could do the same in Western Asia, attacked Turkey in 1984. Not all trees bear fruit, and the PKK's plans to liberate Kurdistan have come up empty. Its leader, Abdullah Öcalan, was forced to abandon his sanctuary in Damascus in 1998. By then, Medina was in her 20s. Her mind was dedicated to Öcalan. For a living, she laid bricks.